All right. Hello, everybody. I am going to open the screen up here. All right. So here's an assignment. I'm going to put it on Google Classroom as well. But what you're going to do is you're going to make a Google slide on just mitosis. You are going to show your understanding of mitosis, the phases of each, and you're going to put them in order. You can have a title slide and then go to interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Tell what happens during each stage of mitosis, um, and how many cells result from mitosis. And then also, we didn't talk about a lot about asexual reproduction, but you can look and research about asexual reproduction. So I have right here what you're going to do. You're going to do the title slide, 12 information slides describing the 5 phases of mitosis, and then bibliography. I want you to show where you got your information from. I would, if you use pictures, if you use any information from any website, just take one slide and do that at the end of this presentation to show that you got them out of what website you took them from. Be creative. Creativity is 10 points. And then you're going to present them eventually. So there's a total of 75 points. Okay. And remember, you are teaching the class about mitosis. You are teaching the class about mitosis. So this is what you're going to be doing on your iPad, and you should do a good job. If you have any questions, please ask. And I will have this particular sheet on Google Classroom before the end of today. Okay, you can take a good look at what it looks like. Okay, and that's it for now. So